Dear students, just you were listening a verse from the Gita, Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. It means as you do, so you find. And there is a story related to it, and that story is Tit for Tat. Today we shall read the story Tit for Tat. In this story, you will read that how the heart of a man changed. Actually, this is the story of two clever men who used to live in a village, and their name was Sudhir and Narayan. Actually, both were neighbors. Sudhir, who was a very gentle and honest man, but his friend or his neighbor Narayan was greedy and dishonest. Both were living in their neighborhood. Its story starts when once Sudhir wants to go to distant place for the business purpose. It was a problem for Sudhir how to keep his money safe. So he went to his neighbor Narayan. He asked Narayan or said Narayan, I am going to distant place for business and it will take a long time. Please look after my house. And he gave him a bag in which there was money. Narayan became very happy. The cause of his happiness was the word money. Actually, when he heard the word money, he became very glad, very pleased. And he told, don't worry, I am here to keep your money and see your house. You can go to your journey without any problem. Hearing this, Sudhir became satisfied and he went out. He did not come back for a long time, and when it happened that time, Narayan thought, now Sudhir will not come. His heart filled with greed, and he thought to take the money of Narayan. He took out money from the bag and he filled the bag with earth, or you can say with dust. But it happened, after some days Sudhir came back, and when he came back that time he went to Narayan and he told Narayan, thank you for looking after my house and money. Please return my money and please return my bag. Narayan gave back his bag. When Sudhir opened it, that time there was no money in the bag. He became very disappointed. He became very sad, and he asked Sudhir, he asked Narayan, where is my money? Narayan became surprised and he said, there is no money. Actually, the money was for a long time in this bag, so it must have changed into dust. Listening this, Sudhir became very sad. He understood that he has been cheated by Narayan. But what can he do now? He went to his house quietly Actually, Sudhir had brought a lot of money with him, so he built a grand house and he started living here. He labored hard. Once again, he earned a lot of money and he became very rich. But it is said, time changes, and when the time changes, that time the story changes. One day, Narayan had to go to out of the station, and now he need help of Sudhir. So he went to Sudhir and told, please keep my son with you because I am going to distant place for business. Actually, Narayan had a son and there was no one to take care of his son. So he kept his son with Sudhir. Sudhir accepted his proposal. When Sudhir accepted the proposal of Narayan, a plan hit in his mind. That time he went to market and bought a parrot. He kept the parrot in the cage and he started giving training to the parrot. Parrot was trained to say, Father, I am your son. Father, I am your son. The parrot learned it to say, Father, I am your son. After a few months, Narayan came back and he went to the house of his neighbor Sudhir. He told Sudhir, return my son. Sudhir kept the cage before him. Narayan became very sad. He also became angry. He said, what are you doing? Where is my son? That time the parrot which was trained by Sudhir, the parrot said, Father, I am your son. Father, I am your son. Father, I am your son. Narayan said to Sudhir, where is my son? Sudhir said, your son has changed into a parrot as my money changed into dust. When Narayan heard it, that time he understood everything. Now Narayan had no other option than return the money of Sudhir. That time he decided that now I will return the money of Sudhir. And he returned the money of Sudhir and Sudhir returned his son. In this way, Narayan took away his son. So it is said, tit for tat. It means by this story, it is said that if anyone is doing bad or anyone is doing good, that time if a person does bad work, the result will be bad. If a person does good work, the result will be good. So whenever you are doing anything, that time you must think that whether your work is good or bad. Thank you. Have a nice day.